wondering how it looks one day after procedure, this is how it looks at the donor area. Look at the donor area, we have put some antibiotic cream there, and you can see the small hair is really growing. After 3 or 4 days, it will be more even with the hair that we have not shaven today. What is done is body shaving method because of minimal downtime. So this is how it looks. He still have a lot of his hair here. Later what he can do is he can trim all this hair and he can balance up, and he can have a new hairstyle. So if you look in the front we did because he was typical M shape, Norwood 2 to Norwood 3. So that's where we transplant. So one day after hair transplant, there the grafts are there. Sometimes there's some blood clot there, and after 3 to 4 days the scalp will drop, which is normal. It may be sometimes itchy, so we give some medication if he has itchy to apply or to take, but it's not necessary if we don't have. A little bit antibiotic, little bit of painkillers are always given to patient so that they are comfortable. They go back home because patient is coming quite a far distance, not from this state, a different state. So we need to take care of him as time goes by. So he will come back for his follow-up. He has taken some medication, which is very good, and I hope yang semua kami dah explain, semua faham dah semua. Okay, very good. So sambil now kami dah buat, so mesti nak datang klinik kami, nak tanya soalan apa-apa. Kalau rasa malam tidur yang ini sakit kah, yang itu sakit kah, atau I nak buat ini boleh kah? Tak boleh, tanya doktor, tanya klinik ni. Nurses ada, doktor ada, banyak doktor ada sendiri, semua boleh tanya. Okay, ada apa-apa soalan nak tanya doktor tak? Thank you so much.